Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the various enhancements that we have made to quick selection. In our sales screen I have divided the whole area into 4 parts. Earlier only the part which is marked in red, the quick selection area, only this part was configurable. Now in feature pack 9 also the area which is marked in green, quick function, and the area which is marked in black, payment area, is configurable. So you see 75% of the screen is now configurable. You can put there articles, functions, components, whatever you want. Only the sales grid is not configurable as of now, but will come soon. When you now install customer checkout, which is running in quick service or table service mode, you will not see an empty quick selection area. We deliver a SAP default quick selection in which all the functions that we support are already pre-configured and categorized. We also support adding parameters to function button. Now let me show you a demo to explain you this point. Earlier, if you want to add a salesperson, then you used to click on the salesperson function, and now you have to select one of the salesperson. But what we now allow is that you can add parameters to the salesperson function, so that when you click on this button, then the salesperson whose ID was already entered as a parameter is added to the receipt. And in this way now most of our functions are parameterizable, which helps you to execute your sales process faster. Now we also have a concept of components. So here you can see that we have as of now 3 components. Customer selection component, so that when you select a customer, you can decide where you want to display this component, or the component for numpad. And as you see, we also have a new component for article image. So if you assign images to your article in Customer Checkout Manager, then you can see it in this component. The last thing that I want to show you in Customer Checkout is the payment handling. So now when you enter a payment, now you can see on the left hand side that the sales grid is reused also for the payment area, and the payment area is now become big and is now much more clearly visible, so that it is easy for you to use it. In Customer Checkout Manager, when you go to quick selection, you will see that there is also an SAP default quick selection which is completely read only, but you can copy it. Also what we support is to download a quick selection and import or upload this quick selection in another system. For example, from your test system to your productive system. We also support creation of matrix. Now let's assume that I have this new area in the quick selection which is completely empty, and I want to create there 9 buttons. So now I can click on this create matrix and say that I want a 3:3 matrix and click on OK, and then you can see here that 9 elements are added. I can now also click on the element and it navigates me to exactly this place, so that it is easy for me to add the necessary information to the function button. There are many more smaller things. I will not go in the details of that. When you will use the software, you will notice that we have made also several other small enhancements to quick selection.